In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to solve derivatives that require product and quotient rule within Python. So we can start off with from SymPy, import symbols and diff. We can come down to the next line and we can use that symbols function we imported. We're going to do quote x and we can run that. Now what this will do is it'll define x as a variable that you can use in math problems instead of it being defined as a Python variable. Now here we'll define our f and g. Here I'll do x to the power of 2 plus 2 times x plus 1. And our g will be x to the power of 3 plus 2 times x plus 5. And now we have our f and our g, and now we can run our product and quotient rule. So we can use that diff function now, and we're going to do f times g and pass through x. What this is going to do is it's going to multiply these two functions together and then differentiate with respect to x. So we can run that, and we could see it returns us this. While this isn't the greatest output, we could use SymPy's simplification or simplify method, and we can import that here and run that. So now we can come down to the quotient rules. We're going to do diff f divided by g, comma x. And once again, this is going to divide the two functions with respect to x and differentiate them. While what's returned isn't great, you could use that simplify function I talked about before, and I'll also show here some calculations proving that this is correct. Now that's how you can solve derivatives that require product and quotient rule in Python, and I hope that helps.